Hey mathematicians, we are going to make our notes for today's topic. Excuse me, my allergies are really stupid today. And the reason these are called two-way tables is because they examine two variables. The first variable in this case is whether or not people have a cell phone. And then our other variable is age. And each piece of information inside of each little section, which we call a cell, tells you how many people fell into each category. So in this little part of the cell, it represents 25 people. And those 25 people both have a cell phone and are between the ages of 10 and 12 years old. And I got that information from looking at the chart. So because those 25 people are right underneath has a cell phone. So 25 people have a cell phone. And they are between the ages of 10 and 12 years old. Sometimes a question will ask you how many people were surveyed. And you can figure that out by, first of all, I'm just going to look at all the people who have a cell phone. And if I add all those numbers together, I get a total of 115 people who have a cell phone. Then if I add together the number of people who do not have a cell phone, I got a total of 55. So if I add together the people who have a cell phone and do not have a cell phone, I arrive at my total number of participants, which is 170. So this table represents a total of 170 people. It's worth noting that I could have added across also. So what I mean by that is if I add together the number of 10 to 12-year-olds, that gives me a total of 60. Then if I add together the 13 to 15-year-olds, I get 50. And then finally, if I add together my 16 to 18-year-olds, I get 60. And then you see that those three numbers also add up to 170. So either way, whether you add across or whether you add your horizontal or your vertical rows together, you can get your total number of people represented in your table.